Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and it's time for the 10,000 subscriber giveaway for the international people. Now, in the door, I want to say sorry about the delay. Thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. We got you. Now, with the giveaway, it's only going to be one winner. We're only going to call out one name, and you don't have to jump through no hoops or loops or anything like that in order to be a part of the giveaway. Cool? And again, thank you for your love and support always. Now, for the gift, we're going to be giving away $25 cash to the winner, and we're going to send it through PayPal. Now, if you have issues with PayPal, then we'll find a way to make sure that you get your prize ASAP. Now, we're going to be running this for about 2 weeks. So on the 2nd of January, we will be announcing the winner. Now, we're also going to call out the name of the winners, well, the winner for the Roma watch face giveaway. All right, we're going to do that last. Now, let's go ahead. Let's start off with how you qualify or how you can be a part of the giveaway. All you simply have to do, first of all, you have to be a subscriber. Secondly, understand you have to be 18 years or older to be able to participate. And that's pretty much it, except for the fact that I want you to first find out if you can find my very first video, right? I know it's going to be hard. I know it's a challenge, but it's out there. If you can find it, maybe, just maybe, I'll add a bonus to this giveaway as well. Now, the other thing is I want you to let me know what you want for Christmas. Now, I know some of you all are out there, you're like, hey, I don't want nothing for Christmas. I don't expect anything. And I understand that. But if there was one thing that you would want for Christmas, what would that thing be? All right. And last but not least, very simple, very simple. Just hit the like button on the way out. That's it. That's all. All right. Now, we are going to call out the names, right, for the Roma Watch Face giveaway. But first, I want to say thank you again, international people, for all your patience, your understanding, and your love and support on Huck's World. Thank you. Also, if you missed any videos or you feel like you missed any videos, you can go to my Instagram page. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to. But if you're looking for awesome watch faces, or you're looking for any watch face reviews that you may have missed, I also post on Instagram as well, so you can go check it out on there. But the one page I am promoting is Huck's Tech Store on my Facebook page. You don't have to be a subscriber, but check it out if you want to support the channel. I want to do more product reviews. That would definitely help me as well as the channel. So if you could, check it out. All right. And now let's get started with the Roma watch face giveaway. Now, international people, same countries, we talk about Denmark, UK, Canada, India. We got you all, so we're not going to call out your names. We're just going to shoot you out one. And also for the US, we do have a name for you. All right, it's only one winner, and it's going to be Todd Thomas. Todd, congratulations. You are a winner of the Roma watch face. Now, he got down on this one. It's called Roma Shadow. I thought he did an awesome job on this one. Very unique, very stylish, definitely weekend ready and worthy of a download. This guy always gets down on some luxury, unique, casual watch faces. Now, with that being said, people, thank you for the support. Thank you for participating in the giveaway as well. We do get more giveaways coming up, so stay tuned for that. We also got another giveaway that's coming up really soon. Should be this week. Look out for that. And with that being said, people, enjoy the rest of your day and or night. Listen, hump day is just about over with. We're getting closer to the weekend, so it's time to prepare. So I got to dig deep to see what awesome watch faces I can send you to get you ready for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy and take care.